Understanding home improvement. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore a very common phrase in English, home improvement. This term pops up in various contexts, from casual conversations to professional services. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand what it means, but also how to use it effectively in your own conversations. Let's dive in. Home improvement refers to the process of making changes or upgrades to one's home. This can include a variety of activities like renovating rooms, painting walls, adding new furniture, or even extending the house with new constructions. It's not just about fixing things that are broken. It's also about making your home more comfortable, functional, or stylish. People engage in home improvements for many reasons. Functional needs, such as repairing a leaky roof or updating an old heating system. Aesthetic changes, like painting walls or redesigning the garden. Increasing property value. Enhancements that make the house more attractive to potential buyers. Personal satisfaction. The joy of creating a space that reflects personal taste and comfort. Let's look at some common examples. 1. Renovating the kitchen, maybe installing new countertops or cabinets. 2. Landscaping the garden. This could involve planting flowers or setting up a vegetable patch. 3. Upgrading the bathroom, like installing a new shower or bathtub. 4. Adding new rooms or extensions, such as a conservatory or a loft conversion. You might hear phrases like, "We're doing a bit of home improvement this weekend, painting the living room." They hired a contractor for their home improvement project. I love watching home improvement shows for inspiration. I hope this video has shed light on the concept of home improvement. Whether you're planning to revamp your own space or just wanted to understand this common English phrase better, remember, home improvement is all about making changes that make a home more enjoyable and suitable for your needs. Until next time, happy learning and improving!